everybody, my name is Kendall and today we're going to be doing a day to night look with this cute little pink dress right here. We're going to be using different accessories to either dress it up or dress it down, and different hair and makeup, so check it out. Come along. But first is daytime, and for that I paired it with these cute floral earrings, and they're sparkly, so I love them. And then to match that, I added a pink floral bag. So I think this is going to be super fun daytime look. And then also that I have on these white patent leather boots with a thick heel so that I can walk around and on the go. After that is the nighttime look. And for that, I'm going to be pairing it with these fun sparkly booties and this fun clutch, because you always need, you know, just a little bag to have your necessities in it. And then for accessories up top, I have black earrings, and I'm into statement earrings right now. I think they go with everything, and they can just make any outfit look better. Okay, so for the nighttime look, I am going to be adding a little bit darker eyeshadow. Got like a little smokier eye, just to give some depth and darkness to match my darker accessories that I added on. A little more mascara and we're good to go. Alright, now on to the hair. I'm going to switch it up. We're going to be doing a ponytail. So let's do this. And then my favorite thing right now are bows. Let's put right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to the Agency Arizona for more fun videos like this. Bye guys! And then I'm out of breath. Oh my gosh, it's a workout. This is a /workout video.